Hello, and welcome to English Story Hub. This is your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and build your English step by step. I will speak slowly, use clear and simple words, and give you time to repeat after me. Together, we will practice describing a full day in English: morning, afternoon, and evening. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about your daily routine with confidence. Not just short answers, but natural, complete sentences. Why is it useful to talk about your day? Because your day is real. It's something you know well. You don't need to search for ideas. You can say what time you wake up, what you eat, what you do, and how you feel. This is English you can use immediately in real life. When you talk about your day, you stop translating in your head. You begin to think directly in English. You practice full sentences. And each time, your confidence grows. So let's start together. The morning sets the tone for the whole day. It's also the perfect time to use English. Now, repeat these sentences after me. I usually wake up at 7. Sometimes I wake up earlier if I have a lot to do. If I sleep late, I feel tired the next morning. I take a deep breath and stretch my arms. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I wash my face with cold water to wake up. I make a simple breakfast with toast and fruit. I drink a cup of coffee. Now let's shadow a short story. In the morning, I wake up around 7. I stretch my body and sit up slowly. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. If I feel sleepy, I take a shower and listen to music. After that, I get dressed and prepare breakfast. I eat toast with butter and drink coffee by the window. Before I leave, I check my phone and pack my bag. Finally, I put on my shoes and step outside. The afternoon is often busy, but it's still a good time to practice. Even 10 minutes of English makes a difference. Repeat these sentences with me. After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel sleepy after eating. I check my emails and answer the important ones first. I often have meetings in the afternoon. I like to keep my desk clean and organized. I usually take a short break around 3 o'clock. I drink tea and eat a small snack. Now, a short afternoon story. After lunch, I sit at my desk and write a to-do list. I answer emails and sometimes join a video call with my team. The meetings are short but useful. After the meeting, I take a break and make tea. If the weather is nice, I walk outside for fresh air. When I have free time, I study English. I listen to a podcast or read a short article. Sometimes I shadow sentences from a video. This helps me speak more clearly. Before I finish, I write one new word in my notebook. Evening is the time to relax, but it is also a good chance to review your day in English. Repeat after me. I come home in the evening. I take off my shoes and sit down to rest. I cook dinner or order food if I am tired. I eat dinner with my family and we talk. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Sometimes I go for a walk after eating. Before bed, I read a book or listen to music. I brush my teeth and go to bed around 11. Now listen and shadow the short story. In the evening, I come home around 6. I sit down and relax for a few minutes. Then I prepare dinner and eat with my family. We talk about our day and share stories. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Sometimes I go for a walk outside. Before bed, I read or listen to calming music. Finally, I brush my teeth and go to sleep. Now it's your turn to practice. Think about your own day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you go to work, to school, or stay at home? What do you do in the afternoon? How do you spend your evening? Say it in English. It doesn't need to be perfect. Even 3 or 4 sentences are excellent practice. Today, you practiced describing your day in English. You repeated full sentences, shadowed short stories, and built confidence step by step. Remember, small daily practice creates real fluency. I recommend you come back to this lesson, listen again, and shadow again. Each time, add more details to your story. This way, English becomes not just something you study, but something you live with. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next lesson on English Story Hub.